Let's get started. Once you've been in touch with us and we've supplied you with your own login details, this is how the Document Direct app works in practice. The first step is to download the Document Direct app, which is available in the App Store and Google Play. Then, log in using the login details sent to you by email when you signed up. To create a new dictation, tap the red Record button at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Enter Reference here to type a reference for your dictation in order to easily identify it later on. For a lawyer or medical professional, this would typically include the client or patient name, a case number, and the type of document you want produced. And then tap on Job Type scroll and choose the appropriate turnaround time from the drop-down scroll menu. Start a dictation by tapping on the circular red button in the center of your screen and just start talking. Once you're happy you have finished speaking, tap the red button again and then click on the Send button in the bottom right corner. You will be returned to the recording screen where you'll be able to track the status of your sent dictation in real time. Once typing is completed, you'll be emailed your freshly typed work or notified that your work is ready to access in your firm's case management system. It's as simple as that.